This 2011 Ferrari California is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2011 Ferrari California factory optional equipment Scuderia Ferrari fender shields originally $1,589 front and rear parking sensors originally $1,515 AFS adaptive headlight control originally $1,864 red brake calipers originally $623 Ferrari California standard equipment 4.3 LV8 engine 460 horsepower 375 pound-feet of torque 7-speed automatic transmission power retractable aluminum hardtop rain and speed sensitive wipers LED brake lights entertainment system with navigation and Bluetooth dual zone climate control xenon headlights keyless entry power windows power door locks black exterior black leather interior vehicle history low mileage loaded with factory options please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2011 Ferrari California is no exception. We provide low cost worldwide. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.